2DM being admitted in the hospital. And even a type 2DM difficult to control, you can go with this basal bolus. As the name indicates, there will be a basal coverage. That is, long-acting insulin will be covering the intermeal blood glucose, and short-acting will be covering the postprandial glucose. So you have to give a 3 short-acting insulin shots. That is a prandial, short-acting insulin shots, and one basal. It can be either an insulin analog or NPH. And next slide. Coming to the pre-mixed insulin, this is another regime. So we are already having a pre-mixed combination of regular and NPH. So this can be administered very easily, especially for type 2DM. And it can be given as a, if it is going to be a conventional premix, it can be given as a once daily or twice daily, depending upon the blood sugar status. Next, Prakash will say about that.
Thank you. Since for want of time, we need to finish off. I like to thank Dr. Palani Kumaran, and he had said the different regimens, basal bolus regimen, mixed split regimen and all. Basal bolus regimen has to be followed in all type 1 diabetes patient, in critically ill patient, hospitalized patient, and pre-mixed insulin, that is mixed split insulin, as an advantage in patient compliance that can be used in OP settings. Thank you.